Save up to 60% on your home's energy costs when you switch to a water furnace geothermal system installed by Airflow. A geothermal system is the safest, cleanest, and most reliable heating and air system you can buy, and Airflow is the HVAC company you can trust. With over 30 years installing and servicing geothermal, Airflow has built a reputation of reliability and honesty. Make your home energy efficient with a water furnace system from Airflow. Call us to schedule your appointment today. Trust the Aero. We are Airflow.